Hi dear friends, if you are a beginner or an emerging player and you want to improve your betting, then watch this video till the end because in this video I will give you the top 5 betting tips that will surely improve your betting. Tip number 1. Choose a trigger moment that suits you. Trigger moment is the moment of a batsman before the release of a ball from a bowler's hand. It is really important when you are facing a real quick fast bowler because it gives you an extra fraction of a second to play the ball easily. There is no single trigger moment that is fit for all. Every individual is different from other and every batsman has his own trigger moment. But the most famous trigger moment is back and across. So if you want to improve your betting, you should choose a trigger moment for yourself. But remember, it should be repeatable and you should be comfortable with it. Tip number 2. Improve your back lift. Back lift is the lifting of the bat before hitting the ball. It is very important because it gives power to your strokes. Ideally, at the top position of your back lift, the face of the bat should be between the first slip and the third slip. The front shoulder should be pointing down the wicket and the hands should be close to your back hip. If you raise the bat very high, you will get more power on your strokes, but you will lose control. And if you do not raise the bat at all, then you will have no time to play your strokes. There are many great batsmen in the world who have high back lift. So there is no harm in high back lift as long as you are comfortable with it and your balance is right. Tip number 3. Keep your head still. The head position is the most important part of your betting. In your stance, your head should be in a neutral position, not overbalanced to either side. But when you are playing a stroke, your head should move towards the ball, and at the time of contact, your head should be still, and the ball should be under your eyes. Your head is the heaviest part of your body, and if it is moving towards the ball in a right direction, your feet will follow it and you will be able to play your strokes correctly. During the early days of his career, Martin Guptill was struggling because of his bad head position, but the late Martin Crowe identified this mistake and rectified it, and now he is one of the best batsmen in limited overs cricket. Tip number 4. Focus on the ball. Watching the ball closely till the last moment is an important part of betting because lapse in concentration even for a fraction of a second can cause your dismissal. There are many ways to improve your concentration. One good method of improving your concentration was shared by Steve Smith the other day. He was throwing a tennis ball at the wall and then playing it on the rebound. Australian legend Don Bradman used to do the same but using a golf ball and a stick. And in my opinion, that is even a better method to improve your focus. When you are playing in the middle, you need your mind to be blank so that you can play the ball accordingly. In order to keep his mind blank, Virender Sehwag used to sing Hindi songs while betting. Remember that the next delivery that you are facing is the most important thing of your life because at that point nothing else matters. Tip number 5. You should practice smartly. With proper practice, you can improve any skill and betting is no different. In order to improve your betting through smart practice, you should work on these 3 points. Number 1. Work on your strengths and weaknesses. You should work on your strengths and weaknesses because sometimes when you only focus on your weaknesses, you might be able to rectify some mistakes, but your strength becomes your weakness. Number 2. Add new strokes to your betting. Adding new strokes to your betting not only improves your betting but also improves your confidence. You should also have the confidence to take these strokes into the match because great players are those who take practice into the match. Number 3. Enjoy your practice session. The reason we all play cricket is that we love it. So you should enjoy playing cricket and do not take unnecessary stress in a net session. If you have any question, regarding your betting or cricket in general, you can ask in your comments. Thank you.